Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting your assets and QR data ready. Open Alight Motion and create a new project with the aspect ratio you need. This saves resizing later. Once done, import the image or video background and place it on the timeline so you can preview placement. Make sure you have the exact URL or text you want encoded, typos break the link, and keep it on the clipboard for the next step. Now generate the QR image. Use a QR generator to create a PNG with transparency. Pick error correction M or Q so scanning survives overlays. Export at 1024px or larger to keep edges sharp. Next, import that PNG into your Alight Motion project and position it where you want viewers to scan. Once placed, scale without stretching, hold aspect ratio, because distortion makes codes unreadable. Make sure it contrasts with the background for reliable scanning. Finish by animating subtly. A small-scale pop or steady fade-in works. Avoid movement that blurs the code. Once satisfied, export with high bitrate so compression doesn't break QR modules. Choose MP4H, 264 or lossless GIF for short loops. After export, test scanning on at least 2 different phones and camera apps. If scanning fails, increase contrast, reduce animation blur, or use higher error correction. This troubleshooting step fixes most scanning problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.